Alright, this should be an amazing video. The fact that we would all buy one like this, stock. And let's see how great it drives. You know, this is the timeless car right here. Thank you, AutoTop, fair use, and let's get into this video. I've never been a fan of those wheels. Always love the tail lights. And I love how everything kind of faces the driver. It's so driver oriented. That's what I love about the Supra. Oh, so this is automatic. Okay. Wow. Alright, so this is automatic. Let's see how this is. Alright, cool. This is different. What did he just press? Wait, hold on. What did he just press? Cause I'm like, did he just press like overdrive on or over? I don't know. Damn. Wait, I thought he put in the 2 mode, but I don't think so. I'm thinking it has to be, because that's how it is on the Camry. I for sure would get this because I'm already used to Toyota's platform. Like, I've been having a older Camry and it got this like this. So I know I would, but I couldn't get this in automatic. No, I mean, because this one doesn't have the dual clutch part or whatever, the manual shifting mode. Take that traction off and just burn these wheels out. Hey. Man, I would love to modify this because I'm about to look for something after this video. After this video, this is definitely made me want to build my own Mk4. Definitely. Here we go. And if it had to be automatic, then fun. But Lord knows, like, it just seems so easy to drive. If it didn't have the turbo, it'd be very similar to how my Camry is when it was really stock. But let's hear this. Look at this beautiful back. And also, this needs modifications. Now, are those titanium? Looks like everything is built new under it. It's different, like, not hearing something that is gonna be loud taking off. But like I said, this only need modifications. But I'm not that type where I'm not the type where I'm gonna keep something fully stock unless it's like something super rare. It's definitely slow compared to what we are expecting nowadays, but for this car right then, that was cool. And like I said, it needs modifications, and I'm about to look for one right now. Like, yeah. Hey, great video.